This is George Koch, CEO of World Profit. And I got a great support question, and I've had this question many times. How can I use my website to benefit me directly? You know what? So I have a website, big deal. And people go to it and they see things. Okay. Well, you can offer it as a bonus, a page on your website. Now, many years ago, we had one of our top members do this, and he was just raking in the commission money because he was using his site to give people pages on his site that he would design. Now, this was 20 years ago, and he made a lot of money because that was his offer. It was very unique because you're using your website. Nobody else has this bonus. What is the bonus for? Well, you can offer it to anybody who joins your affiliate program and pays, of course, and upgrades. Or they come into World Profit and they either upgrade or they buy advertising. And you can do that all easily in your prospect manager. You can create a great letter using AI to create a really nice letter. And I won't go over that because that's pretty straightforward. You just go prospect manager and then you add a letter. And once that's done and you send that to people, they say, wow, so what do you need to build this page? You say, I want your affiliate link. So let's talk. Let's go in here. So we go into our website management, and when they give you that link, you say, okay, I want to build a new page, and you go right down to number 7, the AI page builder. And then you go down to prompt 6. I like prompt 6 because it uses something called Tailwind, which is really cool. And what you do is you put their URL in here, and it automatically will show up. So you need to do nothing else, and then you copy the prompt. And then you go into your AI. Some of you have your own AI. If not, you can use full ChatGPT. And you put that prompt in, and I'm not going to go through it. It takes about a minute and a half, and it'll create you a page. And let me just show you the page that it created for me. So if I go back to website management, back to my home, and I put this one in. It was called an incredible site here, and I'll just preview it for you. And this is what it created based on an affiliate link. That's it. All I said was I didn't put anything in except the prompt, and it created this. Now, how did I build that site? Well, very simple. I went into my, I'll show you the edit, and I put the source code into my editor. And now, which page did I use? I, of course, went in. Now, I'm going to do this again for you because this is the link that it gave me, or sorry, the content. So let's just copy it. And tell you what, we'll get rid of it. Watch, we'll delete the page. No problem. Let's build that again. So you go new page because you have that on your clipboard. It's all copied. And you say full width custom page is probably what I use. I like that one. And then you say affiliate link. And of course, it goes under my sponsors. No other tricks, nothing up my sleeve. I'm just going to click the source button and paste this in. And then when I unclick source, I'm going to save this. Now you're thinking, well, you know, look at this. I've got a form here. What's all this stuff for? All you would have to do at this point is when you're creating the page to say, well, I don't want the form. You know, I don't want this form. You can remove it. It will remove it for you. And then this one, this button here and this button here, you could just say, listen, I want the buttons to click and go to that person's affiliate site. And then when they just say to them, hey, thanks for buying something, you can go to my site, and on the right menu, you'll see my sponsors, and then they can click on affiliate link, and it will bring that up. And you're still on your site. So you could create 100 of these pages at no cost to yourself. Just takes a few seconds. And I can't see anything easier than that because all I did was I went to the AI and I asked it to build a site, and it did for me very, very easily. And I mean, we can even go like say you wanted to come down here and you said, oh, sure, George, I don't think it was that easy. Let's just go to the AI page builder, go to number 6, and let's put in worldprofit.com. And I could put a URL in there like this, and then say question mark ID equals 3099. And all you do is you copy it. This is beautiful. And then build with ChatGPT. and paste it in and just say there. That's it. So again, I'm just showing you that it's just as easy as I said. It's going to build you the whole page. It's going to think, go through, and build you that page in HTML. No questions asked, using Tailwind. So there you go. So let's stand by and watch this design. And again, just so you know, this is a great way to give people something unique for doing something for you. And you can also have this write the letter for you in your prospect manager, right? So you've also got that going. And there it is. I'll build the wrapper. I'll do all this. I'll do all that. And so what it's doing is it's taking me through every step. It's going to be mobile friendly. I mean, this is exciting to see something like this. Look at it's going to create a badge. I'm actually interested in what this thing's going to create because this looks pretty cool. This is really something. And you can also say answer now to speed it up and say, I just want you to go. If you're in the paid version, if you're in the free version, I guess you'd have to wait. But here we go. So let's let this thing create an incredible site, and then I'm going to paste it in, and we're going to see what it looks like. Because look at this thing go. I'm not doing any coding or anything. And this is for somebody, for example, that I might have sponsored that said, hey, look, this is my link. I want the deal, and they upgrade to silver, or they become platinum, or they pay for a full year. This is just absolutely simple to do. There's no effort at all. I'm not doing anything. I could go and get a cup of coffee right now, and when I come back, this page will be done. So honestly, really is pretty incredible what this thing can do. There we go. Let's just keep it going. Wonderful. So all kinds of feature boxes and things like that. I'm not sure if it's going to do a sign-up form. I can show you the sign-up form portion. That's pretty straightforward. Where you would keep this on your clipboard or save it somewhere of course, in your area, and then you can always take this and paste the code in to ChatGPT again and say, listen, I want a form for people to sign up, or I want a button. Like it's going to do here, and it's going to click and go to my site if somebody sees this. And remember, this is just a demo. You're doing this for them. They give you the URL, and you have GPT or whatever. You can use Claude. Claude is a great one. CLAUDE offers free design development just like this. They let you try it out, and they give you lots and lots of time before you decide that you want to do it with them. So you go. So here we are. We've got that all done. I copied it up on my clipboard. I think I just got to hit my back button here a few times, and then we go back here. And let's go see what this thing looks like. So we go to Website Management, Home, and again, I want to create a new page, and my favorite is always the full width page. Okay, and this is World Profit site, whatever. Again, just source, and then undo the source, and then we want to create the page. And again, it's at my website, so I could just go to my site here. I'll just go this way, and we should see it if I refresh. And there we are, World Profit site. Excited to see this. Now that is pretty cool. See how this is black? You can just say to it, hey, I just want that to be a light color. Actually, this is quite a nice site. Create my free account. When I click on that, guess what? I go to World Profit with my ID. Okay, so this is very straightforward. Practice it. Create a page just like I did. Put it up. Make sure you understand how it works. And guess what? You've got a gold mine here. Nobody else can do this because they don't have a website. I've seen hundreds of affiliate sites, and they're great. They've got great business plans. We're here to help you with that. But they don't have hosting, right? Hosting is your friend, especially with World Profit, because look at what you can do. This is just an incredible thing. Okay, thank you. And if you have any questions, please do fill out a support ticket right up here on your top menu. Okay, thanks.